Hey guys, welcome back to Erwin's Art Adventure. Today we're going to learn how to draw a dolphin. So let's get started. So I'm actually going to start off with the top of the dolphin first. And it's going to look like this. It's just going to be a big arch. So I'm going to start here. Like this. Now I'm going to do another line along the bottom. That's going to be the bottom of the dolphin. And it's going to run parallel with the top line. Except when I get near the end, I'm going to taper it off to where the tail is going to be. And it's going to look like this. So from here, so it's going to look like this. And this is where the tail is going to be of the dolphin. So for the dolphin's nose, I'm actually going to do this C shape right here. And I'm going to continue the mouth to come up like this. Now for the bottom of the dolphin's mouth, I'm actually going to come a little bit further than the nose. And I'm going to do an arch like this. Now the dolphin's eye is going to be right here, and it's going to be kind of like an almond or a round shape. Like this. And I'm going to fill it in, but leave a little reflection inside of it. Now for the dolphin's tail, I'm going to flare it out. I'm going to draw a line here and a line there. And it's going to look like this. So I'm going to do a curved line and a curved line. Now what I want to do is I want to meet at this point at the middle of the tail. So I'm going to draw a wavy line like this, and it's going to come in there. And same thing on the other side. I want to do another wavy line and in there. And that'll be the tail of the dolphin. Now for one of his flippers, I'm going to do a curved line like this. And I'm going to kind of curve the tip. At the end of that tip, I'm going to come back and in. And where it's connected to the body, I'm going to do a little curved line right here. Now to give the illusion that there's a flipper on the other side, I'm going to actually start the flipper right here. What I'm going to do is I'll do a flipper shape, like so. Now for the dorsal fin of the dolphin, I'm going to be right in the middle of its back. So I'm going to do another fin shape right here. Do you know that dolphins actually have names for each other? They use unique whistles, like names, to call for their friends and family in the ocean. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. I'm all ready to color in my dolphin, but feel free to pause the video at any point if you guys want to catch up, or if you guys just want to pause it for reference. It's okay, take your time. No one's going to rush you. And I'm going to speed this part up. I'll be right back. So one thing I did forget to add was the blowhole at the top of my dolphin. So all I did was add a little curved line at the top of the head. That's where the dolphin breathes. So don't forget that it's okay if it doesn't look like mine, right? I color mine a specific way. You could color it any way you want. You could even make it a blue dolphin, a purple dolphin, a pink dolphin like they have down in the Amazons. Completely up to you. Take your time, enjoy the process, and enjoy your drawing. Be creative. Anyways, I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.